To get started creating a product website with Squarespace, from within your Squarespace account dashboard, click on Create Website. From here, I would pick the type or topic that applies to the product that you're trying to sell. Maybe that's media and podcasts, but I would pick online store and pick a template from here. So I'm going to go with this Crosby plant template and click Get Started. From here, we're going to jump right into commerce. And if you're just getting started for the first time, on your commerce template, you'll get this pop-up. I'm going to hit close, and Squarespace has this setup guide that you can walk through that you'll have to do if you want to start selling. So the first thing I would do is add your products for sale. And this is a premium feature, so you'll have to upgrade at some point if you want to go live with us. Here is where you can select what you want to sell. Maybe it's a physical good, maybe it's digital, maybe it's a service, or maybe it's a gift card. You can also import from Etsy. So let's go with a physical product. Here you can give your product a name, a description, add an image, set the price, the quantity, and you have a bunch of different settings that you can go through to start setting up your commerce store. Once you're done, you're going to hit save. And from here, you can save it as a draft, you can publish it, or you can schedule it. If you're wanting to design the look and feel of your site before you have all your products uploaded, I would go ahead and keep the template products so that you know what things will look like. However, this might mess with the ultimate end design, so it might be more efficient to go ahead and delete these and start adding in your own products. So back on the commerce main page, you can start going through these other steps to set up payment. If you are selling physical products, you can set up shipping. If you are going to offer subscriptions, you can set that up here. And I would just spend time going through all the different headers over here and setting up your commerce part of your template. If you want to start editing your template, you can go into Edit, and you can begin replacing the template items with your product information. So you would want to probably update the copy here. For buttons, you would want to edit these and make sure they're linking to the right places. With buttons, if you click on the gear icon here, you can link to internal pages within your Squarespace site. So if you have your shop page set up, you can go ahead and link to that page. And if you have tags set up on your products, let's say you have this plant store and some are outdoor and some are indoor, and they're tagged appropriately, you could say that you only want people to go to your shop and see, the indoor plants. And you can also set whether or not this takes them to a new window or they are redirected to that page. From here, you can also use these sections that are already designed for you. So you would want to come in here and edit the content. And if you go to the content tab here, you can either delete these existing items or you can go in here and replace them with your products. You could also add your own sections, and you can start from a blank section and add your own element components, or you can come down here to products and scroll through the different product selections. So if you pick, let's say, this layout here, you'd want to come into the section and edit these images to be your product images. You could also always add in a blank section a product element, and from here You can search for existing products and pull those in. On the design tab, you can mess with the alignment and what information is displayed. So there are a few different options for displaying your products. And then if we click on Done and Save, we can go to Pages and click on our shop page, and you can add products, or you can edit and move them around or delete them. And then if you click on one of your products, you can get into editing the product detail page, and what you do here will apply to all of the product detail pages.